Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 55 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the watch face on your Garmin Forerunner 55. So the Garmin Forerunner 55 comes with several built-in analog and digital watch faces that can be customized to show different colors, layouts, and even different data. So if you want to be able to get sunrise, sunset, intensity minutes, things like that displayed on the watch face, you can do that by customizing the watch face. If you're looking to install watch faces on your Garmin Forerunner 55, check the description below because I have a tutorial going over that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with customizing the watch face on our Garmin Forerunner 55. So the first thing we need to do is simply hold the up button just for a second or two until the menu comes up and select watch face with the start or stop button. Now we can use the up and down button to go through the different available watch face layouts that they have, all the way down to analog. If you go down to the bottom, they have 3 different types of those. Once you find the layout that you want, go ahead and select it using the start or stop button, and then you can either apply it or we can customize it further by first scrolling down and selecting data. Then once you see one of the data sets blinking, we can use the up or down button to cycle through the different available data sets on our Garmin Forerunner 55. So as you can see, there's several available. Once you find one you want, select the start or stop button to select it, and then as you can see, it'll move to the next available data set and you can change that one as well. So I'll add sunrise, sunset. Once you've selected them, keep going to start or stop, and as you can see, it added another one. I'll add battery life, and just keep going through that process until you get to the end. Once the menu comes up, you've finished adding data to your watch face, we can then go down and change the accent colors by selecting it and then scrolling through the different colors available so that you can personalize it maybe to match an outfit or something like that. I find that lighter colors are easier to see, so I like to go with the blue. And now we've finished customizing the watch face and we can select apply. And now our watch face has been updated with the customized watch face we just made. All right, so that's how you customize watch faces on the Garmin Forerunner 55. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 55 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.